Annyeong! Today is April 1, Fool's Day. Before ako magpunta ng Vietnam, nagkaroon ako ng schedule kasi naka-waitlist ako. Tapos nagkaroon ng opening for March 26, Shenzhen visa appointment. So, this time I applied for Germany visa kasi nagbibigay sila ng multiple entry. And today, April 1, I received our visa, me and my son. Ako, I have 90 days multiple entry. This is my first multiple visa. My son got single entry and until June ako until July yung validity ng visa ko. So, in this current situation na mahal ang lahat, if hindi ako pupunta, hindi ko gagamitin yung visa ko, magkakaroon ng problema, baka maka-affect siya doon sa next na application ko. I'm really trying to get a multiple entry visa para hindi na ako mahihirapan mag-apply and I can travel whenever I want, wherever I want. Kasi last 2 years, wala akong Shenzhen visa and nahihirapan ako kung saan ako pupunta. Marami akong gustong puntahan pero hindi ko mapuntahan. So, this time, kailangan ko siya i-push despite the situation. So, sana naman matapos na kung ano man yung mga pangyayari dahil kailangan mag-travel. Pero, one thing I learned, don't dare see universe because 2025 December, sabi ko talaga, I need to travel. I will travel sa March kasi Eid. And then I said, kailangan kong bumalik ng Europe ng May. April or May. Kailangan ko makabalik ng Switzerland actually. Ngayon, ito, ginrant ni universe. Kailangan kong gamitin by hook or by crook. Dahil nga ayoko masira ang record para sa next multiple entry visa na baka longer na siya. And first time ng Jonakis ko makakapunta ng Europe. Initial plan was kasama si mama kaso nga mahirap ngayon yung sitwasyon. Nasa Pilipinas siya. Hopefully, pag maayos na yung sitwasyon. So, ayun. I need, again, to book. I have a beautiful problem. Pero, ginusto ko to. Kaya kailangan kong panindigan. So, I'm excited. At the same time, I feel pressure dahil talagang expensive na ang mga bilihin. Anyways, money will come back, but the experience will last. Time check, 11:01, and nakapag-book na ng ticket. So, we will be Air Arabia. From Sharjah, we will go to Germany, and then we'll be back from Milan to Sharjah. One way lang yung binook ko and I think it's more cheaper. So happy. Alam mo yung wala kang choice pero may choice ka. Saya lang. Today is May 3. We're ready. Nakabook na yung mga hotels kung saan kami mag-stay. Nakabook na din yung trains para sa aming pag-transfer. So, from Sharjah to Munich, we'll stay 3 days sa Munich. From Munich to Salzburg, 5 days in Salzburg. From Salzburg to Milan, 5 days din sa Milan. And then from Milan, we'll go back to Sharjah. Tapos, today, at 5:45 in the afternoon, I received a message from Air Arabia saying that our flight got cancelled. At first, hindi ako nag-react. I don't know. Today, I don't have the energy kasi I'm not in the mood today. Pero hindi naman ako disappointed na super affected. Kasi I know for a fact na everything happens for a reason. Kung it's up to me kung ipupush ko, kaya namang ipush yan. For sure, there's a lot of ways. Kaso kasi, nung nasa Vietnam kami last March, cancel din yung flight namin pabalik. And until now, hindi ko pa nakukuha yung refund. Tapos, I needed to book Emirates last minute dahil kailangan na lang namin bumalik dahil uncertain kung kailan kami makakabalik talaga. At the ticket fare was 4,000 plus for the two of us, me and my son. So it's not worth it. It's not practical. And I don't want to do the same thing again. I don't want it to happen again. Kasi it's a waste of money. Tapos, may stressed lang ako during vacation thinking about it. Makakancel ba? Hindi ba makakancel? Kasi kaya nga ako nag-book ng maaga dahil gusto ko makasave at least sa flight dahil gusto ko gamitin yung pera para sa ibang bagay, sa pagtutour, sa pagkain, sa experience, not for the plane. So, it's okay. I'm letting go, respecting the situation, trusting the process. For sure naman, makaka-travel naman din kami ulit when it's time, when it's peaceful, clear, the situation is very clear, and everything is back to normal. Tapos yung sa visa naman, at least I had the canceled ticket. I can show it as a proof na talagang willing ako mag-travel. It's just didn't happen. Okay naman ako. Hindi naman ako ganun ka-disappointed. Kasi ayoko din kasi talaga ng stress. Kung hindi siya mangyari, it has reason and I should trust it. Kung mangyari siya, it's a blessing. So now, I canceled already the bookings for the hotel. So the only thing is the ticket for the trains, it's already paid. At least, we're safe. That's all that matters. Ayun lang.